Hello, this is Chadwick, and I'm here today to release to you some information that I have released before concerning the 1Fee address. I bought the 79,956 Bitcoin on March 1st of 2011 in the state of Arkansas, in the city of Little Rock. I also purchased the 17 Bitcoin in June of 2011 from the same exchange. This is not publicly known information. I've also been in contact with Craig Wright's attorney team who claims to own the address from a company called Tulip in just the whole comedy sense. Maybe we'll call my company Petunia. We'll call it Petunia Enterprises, and well, that's the flower that owns the 1Fee address, so my company will be Petunia. Fairly a little bit offended by these claims, but that's the game, that's how it goes. I don't know that I'll ever be able to access the account. We'll see how it works. I'll go into where the information later. So if you're interested in having an interview, talking, I'm interested in going public and speaking about this more often. So please shoot me an email at chadwickaustin@rockandroll.com or cchadwicka@aol.com. And once again, I will claim that I did buy this 79,956 Bitcoin on March 1st. And I also made this purchase in June. Thank you and have a great day.